How to cook mixed hot pot. Mixed hot pot, also known as hot pot, is a popular Chinese dish that is perfect for sharing with friends and family. It consists of a simmering pot of broth that is placed on a portable stove in the center of the table, surrounded by an assortment of raw meats, vegetables, and noodles. Each person then cooks their own food in the pot, creating a fun and interactive dining experience. In this article, we'll explore how to cook mixed hot pot at home. Ingredients. To make mixed hot pot, you'll need the following ingredients. Broth. You can use store-bought broth or make your own by simmering chicken or beef bones, along with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions. Meat. Some good options include thinly sliced beef, pork, lamb, and chicken. Seafood, shrimp, scallops, and fish are all good options. Vegetables. Some popular choices include leafy greens, mushrooms, bean sprouts, and sliced potatoes. Noodles. You can use a variety of noodles, such as udon, rice noodles, and glass noodles. Dipping sauces. Some popular dipping sauces include soy sauce, sesame oil, chili oil, and hoisin sauce. Instructions. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking your mixed hot pot. Follow these simple steps to create a delicious and satisfying meal. Prepare the broth. If you're making your own broth, start by simmering bones and aromatics in a large pot of water for several hours. If you're using store-bought broth, simply heat it up in a separate pot. Set up the hot pot, place a portable stove in the center of your dining table and place the pot of broth on top. Arrange your raw ingredients around the pot, making sure there is enough space for everyone to cook their food. Cook the meat and seafood. Start by cooking the meat and seafood in the hot pot. Use chopsticks or a small strainer to remove the cooked pieces from the pot and transfer them to a separate plate. Cook the vegetables and noodles. Next, add the vegetables and noodles to the hot pot and cook them until they are tender. Again, use chopsticks or a small strainer to remove the cooked pieces from the pot and transfer them to a separate plate. Dip and enjoy. To eat the hot pot, simply dip the cooked ingredients in your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind when cooking mixed hot pot. To keep the broth from boiling over, make sure to keep an eye on the pot and adjust the heat as needed. For a more flavorful broth, you can add seasonings like soy sauce, ginger, and garlic to the pot. To prevent the raw meat and seafood from sticking together, you can lightly coat them with cornstarch before adding them to the hot pot. If you're cooking for a large group, consider setting up multiple hot pots with different broths or spice levels to accommodate everyone's tastes. To add some extra flavor to your dipping sauces, you can mix in minced garlic, scallions, or chili flakes. Don't overcook your ingredients in the hot pot, they should be cooked just enough to be tender and flavorful. Variations. There are many variations of mixed hot pot that you can try to mix things up and add some variety to your meal.